Welcome to the AutoCAD Web app, included with your AutoCAD or AutoCAD LT subscription. With AutoCAD on the web, you can access the power and precision of real AutoCAD directly in the browser. Just go to web.autocad.com and sign in with your Autodesk account. The web app leverages AutoCAD core technology, including AutoCAD graphics, real DWG, core commands, and the command line to provide the precision, consistency, and fidelity you've come to expect from AutoCAD. You can use basic annotation commands and 2D drafting and editing commands to make edits and modifications right in your browser. Choose from the list of commands in the side panel, or enter commands using the command line. Use fundamental annotation commands like RevCloud, MLeader, and Dimension to create markups in your drawing. Commands like Polyline, Move, Offset, Mirror, and Rotate allow you to draft and edit, and you get the tools and aids that help you work with precision, such as polar tracking, object snaps, and snap overrides. You can insert and attach existing blocks that are in your drawing using the Blocks tab, or create new blocks and edit existing ones using the command line. With the AutoCAD Web app, you get continuous connectivity to your DWG files, so you can access your drawings from any computer, as well as access your drawings from cloud storage. The web app now allows you to connect your drawings to several cloud storage providers, making file access and collaboration easier. Once you connect the web app to a source of storage, any drawings saved to that source are available in the web app. XREFs that are saved to the same folder as the parent file will resolve within the drawing. With these tools, working on any drawing from anywhere has never been easier.